10 largest railway stations in India. Here are the 10 largest railway stations in India, based on the number of platforms. 1. Howrah Junction Railway Station, Kolkata. Platforms 23. Location: Kolkata, West Bengal. Significance: the Howrah Junction Railway Station is the oldest, largest, and busiest railway complex in India. It was established in 1852 and serves as a vital hub for connecting eastern and northeastern India with the rest of the country. 2. Sealdah Railway Station, Kolkata. Platforms 21. Location: Kolkata, West Bengal. Significance: Sealdah is another major railway station in Kolkata, primarily handling trains heading north and east. It's known for its heritage architecture and bustling atmosphere. 3. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai. Platforms 18. Location: Mumbai, Maharashtra. Significance: formerly known as Victoria Terminus, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its Victorian Gothic architecture. It's a major railway hub for Western India and a popular tourist destination. 4. Chennai Central Railway Station, Chennai. Platforms 17. Location: Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Significance: Chennai Central is the primary railway station serving Chennai and the state of Tamil Nadu. It's known for its blend of Indo-Saracenic and Art Deco architectural styles. 5. New Delhi Railway Station, Delhi. Platforms 16. Location: New Delhi. Significance: New Delhi Railway Station is one of the busiest railway stations in India, connecting the capital city with various parts of the country. It's known for its modern facilities and proximity to tourist attractions. 6. Ahmedabad Junction Railway Station, Ahmedabad. Platforms 12. Location: Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Significance: Ahmedabad Junction is a major railway junction in western India, connecting Gujarat with other states. It's known for its historical significance and proximity to Sabarmati Ashram, Mahatma Gandhi's former residence. 7. Kailatpur Junction Railway Station, Kailatpur. Platforms 12. Location: Kailatpur, West Bengal. Significance: Kailatpur Junction is a vital railway junction in eastern India, connecting Odisha, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. It's also home to the Indian Institute of Technology Kailatpur, a premier engineering institute. 8. Kanpur Central Station, Kanpur. Platforms 10. Location: Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Significance: Kanpur Central is a major railway station in North India, serving the industrial city of Kanpur. It's known for its Indo-Saracenic architecture and bustling atmosphere. 9. Allahabad Junction Railway Station, Prayagraj. Platforms 10. Location: Prayagraj, formerly Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Significance: Allahabad Junction is a major railway junction in North India, connecting Uttar Pradesh with other states. It's known for its historical significance and proximity to Sangam, the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers. 10. Patna Junction Railway Station, Patna. Platforms 10. Location: Patna, Bihar. Significance: Patna Junction is the primary railway station serving Patna, the capital of Bihar. It's known for its bustling atmosphere and proximity to historical and religious sites. These are just a few of the many impressive railway stations in India. Each one has its own unique history, architecture, and significance. If you are ever in India, be sure to check out some of these amazing stations for yourself.